What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can fund your Interactive Brokers account using a Visa card. So one of the challenges international clients face with TD Ameritrade and Interactive Brokers is funding their account at a low cost. Now depending on the country or the bank you're using, the wire transfer fees may vary and might be too expensive for you. So a good solution is to create a Wise account, because that is what we're going to be using, and then you fund your Wise account and then you're going to make the transfer from your Wise account to your Interactive Brokers account. So let's get right into this video. So I'm just gonna log in because I already have an account with Interactive Brokers. So once you're logged in, hit deposit, select the account which you want to fund. So there are multiple accounts you can use to fund your Interactive Brokers account. You can use a bank wire, a direct ACH transfer from your bank. You can also connect your bank via the ACH method, and you can also fund your account using an online bill pay. These would pretty much work for our clients in the United States, UK or Canada. But if you are from Jamaica, anywhere in the Caribbean or any other country outside of those major countries, those might not work for you. So the best option would be a wire transfer or using Wise, which I'm going to be showing you now. So we're going to be using the connect your bank via ACH method. Note, it also may be available immediately depending on the tenure, deposit history and account balance. Otherwise, it will be 4 business days before you can use your money. So let's hit connect. So here it's saying your bank must be held at a bank in the United States. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Now, this is the information that we're going to use to add as a recipient on our Wise account. If you note carefully, we have a U in the account number, and more than likely that won't work. So if you look down here now, it's saying if your employer or your bank does not accept letter as part of their account number, please omit the letter from your account number. And they gave us an example below. So it's the same account number here with the U omitted. So let's select this account number and we are going to go over to Wise and we are going to add recipients. Select add a recipient. Our currency type is US dollars. Now we are sending it to a business. Let me paste the account number here. We already know the account type is checking. So it's Interactive Brokers LLC. And let's get the routing number, country, and for the city, it's Greenwich. Everything looks fine. Let's double check. Our routing number looks fine, account number looks fine, checking number looks fine. Now we're going to hit confirm. Now our recipient is added. It's right here. Let's review it. So now it's time to fund our US account using a Visa card. So this is how we are going to technically fund our Interactive Brokers account with a Visa card. So let's hit add. How much do you want to add? I'm gonna say $15. Continue. So now here it's asking you, how do you want to pay? Do you want to do a wire transfer, a debit card, a credit card, international wire? So it's a debit card I'm using, so I'm gonna select debit card. This is the fee that is associated with it, 17 cents, continue and pay. Now this would be great for individuals who want to invest but don't have a lot of money to invest per month. Because let's say you're going to do a wire transfer from your bank to the broker. Chances are you're going to pay a decent amount of fees for the wire transfer, so that is cutting into your investment amount. And the lower fees, the better it is for you, the more you have to invest. Continue and pay. So I already have a card added, but I'm going to add a new card. and that's it. The money should be available in my account. So in the event that your card doesn't work, just give the bank a call and let them know that, hey, you're doing this transfer, please allow it. So now it's just time to pretty much transfer this money to my Interactive Brokers account. So let's hit send, select from my Wise balance, and I'm sending to the same currency, so I'm going to select USD, and here it's a small fee again. So this is the amount that will be sent to Interactive Brokers. Hit continue. As you can see, this is the Interactive Brokers account which I added earlier. This is a summary of the transaction. As you can see, you can schedule the transfer if you want. So now let's confirm and send. So this may take a day or so to send. So I'll pause the video here for now and resume once Interactive Brokers receive the money. So here I'm 2 days later with my $14.49 deposited to my account. An important thing you need to know is that with Interactive Brokers, you can invest in what is called fractional shares. This means that you can purchase a piece of a whole share. So if a stock price is say $500 per share and you only have $14.49, yes, you can start investing with that $14.49. Now the key thing here is that you want to get into the habit of investing your money. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, but you need to start the habit. That is what makes a big difference. And when you start to invest, you don't want to invest money that you'll need in the short term anytime at all. Investing is a way of building wealth, and when you start to invest, you don't want to pull on your money to take care of any form of emergency. So make sure you have an emergency fund in place. And if you want to see how to budget your money, I'll leave a link in the description below on how you can do that. Now if you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. I'll definitely answer them. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great time investing your money.